In front of me is ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting two of your apps to use in this view and launch them in the background. Then access background apps and decide which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Click on those three dots at the top right corner of it. Select Split Top and tap on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!